The last couple of years have made supply chain issues a huge problem for everybody across the renewable energy landscape. Solar modules, batteries, everything's been impacted. The IRA legislation has put a ton of incentives in place for US manufacturing. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time to ramp this up, and there still are some challenges with where we're sourcing raw materials from. But the amount of activity we're already starting to see with publicly announced manufacturing facilities, as well as a handful of conversations we've been having privately with our clients that are not yet publicly announced, that are going to be building massive module assembly facilities and battery facilities in the United States. Luckily, we've had some experience helping other organizations build and ramp up their US-based manufacturing. It's going to be a lot of fun seeing what happens here next year and the year after. I'm really looking forward to seeing domestic manufacturing come back to the US for clean energy.